What's up, my wealthy babies? I'm back with another video. It's your girl Wealthie. And how y'all doing? How y'all been? I know I've been gone for so long. I know y'all missed me. It's been a few months, but life has been lifing, okay? The girl has moved. I am no longer a Chicagoan no more. I moved down south and I'm happy about it. Today, this video is about this hair right here, okay? This is from Frodio. The word around town is they have the best glueless wigs. I want to see if this really giving what it's supposed to give. This is what the wig is giving right out the box. I'm not gonna lie, I like how this wig is so soft. Okay, look. Doesn't that look like some good quality hair? This is 100% human hair. Do you hear me? Okay, it is long, luscious. Let's get into the lace real quick. What? I don't need to bleach it. I don't need to pluck it. The hairline looks natural. It already have a middle part in here. It has a adjustable string in the back. Y'all see it? So your glueless wigs can be tighter, and they gave me elastic band too, so your wig won't go nowhere, okay? Of course, it has 3 combs in here, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back. You don't have to worry about cutting any of the combs off. This is a 4x6 closure. It is 200 density. Trust and believe, this is 200. It is thick, it is accurate. It is 100% human hair, and this is 24 inches. But I'm not gonna lie, this flow key look a little bit longer than 24. But we about to try this on right now, okay? This wig look absolutely good, and right now I do need a wig that I could just throw on and go. I don't have to deal with all the maintenance. I don't have to deal with the installment of a wig, and it's taking forever. I want something quick right now. So this wig came right on time. I have to put my wig cap on for the girls to say you don't need a wig cap. How your edges doing? Okay, how are your edges doing? Because I know the wigs are eating your edges up. I love a wig cap and I love to protect my hair. Okay, just because I'm wearing a wig does not mean that I'm not gonna protect my hair. I still have hair at the end of the day. Oh my God, this hair is so soft. Do you hear me? It feels like I'm brushing through air right now. This hair is so soft. What? This hair is everything. I just want to keep playing in it and just keep brushing it. What? This is some good ass human hair. And I'm not playing around. This is some good human hair right here. Let me get myself together. Let me put my makeup on. I'm gonna get this wig together, put it back on my head. And baby, somebody gonna see me today in this wig. Somebody's gonna see me today in this wig. Let me show y'all the back. I need to look good in this glueless wig. So let's get it together. Hold on.
We have just got $300 million into that. Oh shit, launch it. That's major. Got it. My job is and I've been after you for a while. Yeah. And you do agree to meet with me. Like that. Yeah. The company's about to turn 4 years old. I want to build something massive. Feeling scared. Are you on a project? You don't seem like that sure of a thing, so I gotta do what I gotta do. Got it. So if you want to do this, you can talk about the library, but then let everything be like, yeah, we've had a conversation about construction and how the entire job right now is to sell off stuff, or sell lifestyle, or sell life.
honest review. I want to say I absolutely love this hair. I give this hair a 10 out of 10 when it comes to the glueless wigs, okay? The quality of the hair is amazing. When I tell you this is 100% human hair, Frodio definitely have it when it comes to the quality of the hair and also the fact of the lace. You can't even tell that it's glueless. I did put a little lace tint on it just to hide my wig cap. That by itself did amazing and I didn't have to do much. I didn't have to pluck or bleach this wig either. You know this wig is a 10 in my book. Everything is in the description down below. And of course, this wig is from TikTok. Follow me on TikTok as well so you guys can see more short reviews. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Do you give this wig a 10 out of 10? Would you try this wig yourself? Comment that down below. Like always, give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. And if you're not subscribed, then what? Huh? Then you're missing out on some good content, girl, okay? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, even Facebook, girl. Follow me on all social media platforms so you can see more of me, more wigs, and more other contents that I do as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye, my babies.